In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Monzo.me link. If your Monzo.me link has stopped working or shows an error, the fix is usually simple and comes down to your account status. I'll walk you through what to check, what to do if your account isn't currently available, and what to expect once everything is back on. First, make sure your Monzo account is active and in good standing. That means you can log in, view your balance, and use your card and app features without any alerts that limit activity. If you see messages about verification, limits, or compliance checks, take a moment to resolve them, as these can affect connected features like Monzo.me. Keeping your details up to date and addressing any prompts in the app helps ensure your account remains fully operational. If your account was closed or restricted, you'll need to reopen it before your Monzo.me link can work again. A restricted account may still be visible to you, but limited in what it can do. A closed account is no longer usable until it's reopened. Restrictions can happen for a variety of reasons, including required identity checks or security reviews. To reopen, request help through the app's support channel or the official support options. Be ready to confirm your identity and provide any information the bank needs to complete their review. Processing times can vary, so give it a little time and keep an eye on updates from support. Once your account is active again, your Monzo.me link will be automatically reactivated. There's nothing extra you need to switch on and no separate settings page to adjust. As soon as the account status is fully restored, the link will resume working as before. If you had shared your link previously, your contacts will be able to use the same link once everything's back in order. It can take a short while for changes to reflect everywhere, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. To recap, the key is your account status. Confirm your account is active and in good standing, reopen it if it's closed or restricted, and then let the system handle the rest. Your Monzo.me link will come back online automatically once your account is fully reactivated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your link working smoothly again.